As a content creator, I carry everything in this bag. Look at this. I carry my camera equipment, my charger, pretty much items I need to film. A lot of things carry in this bag, and it's easy for me to handle, right? So when I go out, I take my bag with me because I'm always doing content creating. Take my battery pack, my camera, and this is what I take my iPad with me because I like to do the editing outdoors. Now, this bag, very durable. It's waterproof from the outside. It's just for rain or any kind of sweat or any kind of moisture. It's going to prevent it from coming in. Now let me talk a little bit more details on what's included in here. You have a couple straps in here, so if you're going to go hiking and you want to set up maybe your mat or something, or hang something in here, you can do that. You got additional pockets in here. This is where I actually put my wallet because it secures everything. It's real deep. It goes all the way down to the bottom, if you guys can see that. So that's a hidden little compartment that you should know, so you can secure your stuff. You got your side pocket here with an elastic right here, so you can put your water bottles. Now this one's for your phone if you have a smaller phone, or tools if you want, or maybe a medical kit, a small medical kit, you can put it in here. Now the best thing about it, look at the back, look at the cushion. It is one of the best cushions I ever had in any kind of backpack. You don't really feel anything on it. It's real secure. Pockets, your hidden compartments here. Here's one right here. This is a hidden compartment. This is for your keys, your wallet. All right, you got another hidden compartment here. It's a larger one. It could be for a laptop or anything you want to set up in here. The inside, it's a large lip, if you guys can see that. There's a couple compartments in here they should be aware of. There's one main one here, if you guys could, let me see. There's a main one here that I currently house my laptop, my iPad or laptop. You can put in there with 2 pockets. All right, so you could actually add cables or batteries, or maybe your keys too. At the end of the day, all you got to do is roll this up, if you guys see that, secure it, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. All right, at the end of the day, this is one of the most comfortable backpacks that you guys see. It handles pretty good. I mean, if you want to lock it up and make it even tighter, you can do that. You have these straps across that cross connect to each other from here to here. So that's if you're going to go hiking and you want to make sure you secure your luggage, your stuff in there. That's one. And then you have the other one, the longer strap too. And I'm a big guy. Look at this. And it fits pretty good. So as you guys can see. So on your next hike, highly recommend you taking something so comfortable. Take your water, your drinks, your snacks, pretty much anything you need on your next hike using the backpack. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.